What up, YouTube? My name is Vic, and I am the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If this is your first time on the channel, this channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews in the affordable range, which I define as $1,000 or less. If you're into that, I invite you to stick around, watch the video. If you make it to the end, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell so you know every time I put a new video up. Folks, today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be doing a tutorial video on how to recalibrate or realign your chronograph hands. I know this has happened to me a few times. I went to the watch box to reach for a chrono that I haven't worn in a while, and the chronograph hands are, all over the place. Well, you can fix that. There's no need to panic. It's actually something that's pretty common, and it's something that's fixable in less than 5 minutes. So without further delay, let's get into this tutorial. Now, this is my Omega Swatch, and I misaligned these on purpose myself for the purpose of this video. But I brought two other examples here, my Tissot Sea Star and my Citizen Bullhead, just to show you guys that it's a pretty simple fix, and it's almost the same through most watches, even if, different brands, different movements. This one is slightly different, but it's just a really quick fix. Now, if you ever came up to your chronograph after not wearing it for a while, and you see your hands are, misaligned like that, your chronograph hands misaligned, well, 9 out of 10 times, that's a telltale sign that your battery is dead. That's what causes it. Unless you dropped it and you gave it a really, really strong shock, it's a dead battery. So there's no need to panic. That is something you can fix, and it's relatively simple to do. Like I said, this one is slightly different. These two is the same procedure, and it will be for most chronographs. So we're going to start with the Omega Swatch because it's the one that's slightly different. What you want to do to fix the main chronograph hand, you want to pull out your crown. First position, you heard it click. Now, with the bottom pusher, you see, you push it once, it moves once. You can also hold this. Wow, I got it perfectly. That was a great guess on my part. So now that's realigned. But now the 60-minute hand is misaligned. So how do we fix that? So on this watch, you're going to go out to the second position with the top pusher. You can hold it or push it. Does one, or you hold it. Okay, I didn't want it all the way because I didn't want to miss it. But you'll do it like that. And one more. And we got it perfectly centered. And that's it. Your Omega Swatch is recalibrated. Now, my Tissot Sea Star, you see, this one I tried. Couldn't really misalign the 30-minute hand, but the main chronograph hand is misaligned. So, same thing. Well, with this one, everything's screwed down. So you want to unscrew it first. You're going to pull out the crown in the first position. Bottom pusher, see? Moves once, you'll hold it. All right, I didn't want to go too far, but same procedure. And that is dead on. Okay, and that's it. That is how you recalibrate it. This watch is now recalibrated. I'll push the crown back in and screw everything back down because I don't want to screw this watch up. I actually really like this watch. I don't wear it a whole lot. I need to give this guy some more wrist time. All right, that takes care of that. All right, the Citizen Bullhead, slightly different. It's a little trickier also because the way the crown is on the top of with the Bullhead. You want to go out to the second position, and you're gonna use the left button. See, one click, or I'll hold it. You see how it's moving? Now I don't want to go too far, so I'll stop and I'll slightly adjust it, and there, I got it back centered. Push the crown back in, watch is functioning as normal again. And that is how you recalibrate your chronograph hands. It's the same procedure for almost every single chronograph. Some of them may vary slightly, but for the most part, it's the same. So if you try it and one button didn't work, use the next button. One crown position doesn't work, go to the next crown position. But you'll figure it out. This is not a complicated thing. Easy to do, anybody can do it. And that is how you recalibrate your chronograph hands. Your chronograph is not broken. And that's going to conclude this one, folks. See you in my next video.
Hey, YouTube, it's Vic, the Brooklyn Watch Guy. Got any questions or suggestions for content? Well, scan this QR code, send me an email. Maybe you see your idea come up, or I'll answer your question on a video. Thank you for watching.